The Great Molasses Flood of 1919. Imagine a wave taller than a two-story building rushing through city streets, not of water, but of sticky, brown molasses. On January 15, 1919, a massive storage tank burst in Boston's North End, releasing over 2.3 million gallons of molasses. The flood swept through the neighborhood at 35 miles per hour, crushing buildings, trapping people and horses, and tragically claiming 21 lives while injuring 150. The cleanup took months, with molasses clinging to streets and memories. Do you know about